Hi, how are you everyone? Today's lecture, it's finally time for you to learn your first data structure, arrays. You are most likely going to be very familiar with arrays. Arrays, which are sometimes called lists, organize the item sequentially, which means the items are put one after another, just like what we have here. If you look on the left, we have the indexes, and we look on the right, we have the item within the array. So you have the 0, we have some choice. At the index 1, we have apple, and so on and so on. Arrays are the simplest data structure. They are also most widely used. We are starting with arrays in the data structure series because they have the least amount of rules. Because they are stored in order, they also have the smallest footprint of any data structure. So if all you need is to store some data and iterate over it, that is, go one by one, step by step over the entire arrays, then arrays are the best choice, especially if you already know the indexes of the items you're storing. There are actually two types of array, static array and dynamic array. So what is the difference between the two? Well, one limitation of static array is that they are fixed in size, which means you need to specify the number of elements of the array will hold ahead of time. For example, in the example right here, we need to specify 7 elements in total. Okay. What if, in the middle of when you're coding, you realize that, wait a minute, I actually need one more item, the 8th item in the array. So we can solve this limitation or this problem with static array by using dynamic array. Dynamic arrays allow us to actually copy and rebuild the entire array with more memory if we wanted to. So with our example, let's say we forgot, we go to the shop and we forgot that we actually need an 8th item. So what we can do with dynamic arrays, we copy this entire array and we allocate 14 blocks of memory, and we paste this entire list plus the 8th item into a new location. Okay, so let's get into some very fun interview questions. Well, let's say if the interview asked you, can you create a function that would reverse a string? So let's see right here. Hi, my name is the lazy investor. If you pass this string into the function, it should return this gibberish, that is all backwards. Please try this on your own, and notice when it comes to questions like this, there are so many ways to do things. There are so many ways to solve a problem. So please go ahead to reverse this string, and I will see you in the solution video. Okay, that's it guys for this video. If you like what you see and you have any questions for me, please comment in the section below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the solution video. Bye bye.